In this pharmacological snippet, let's discuss about the important questions which are asked from the adrenal gland system, the corticosteroids in NEET, PG, FMG, and ICT. Now, adrenal medulla secretes adrenaline, while adrenal cortex has zona glomerulosa, fasciculata reticularis. Zona glomerulosa secretes aldosterone, while fasciculata and reticularis secrete hydrocortisone and dihydroepiandrosterone. Endogenous glucocorticoid is hydrocortisone secreted in the rate of 10 to 20 mg daily, and endogenous mineralocorticosteroid is aldosterone, which is secreted in 0.128 mg daily. Then the most yes, very important thing is corticosteroid classification with glucocorticoid and mineralocorticoid activity. So remember, short acting. In short acting is hydrocortisone having equal mineralocorticoid and glucocorticoid activity. That is one. Then intermediate acting we have prednisolone, and triamcinolone. Then long acting we have dexamethasone, betamethasone. Now triamcinolone, dexamethasone, and betamethasone have got selective glucocorticoid activity and zero mineralocorticoid activity, right? Then we have mineralocorticoids in which we have aldosterone, which has maximum mineralocorticoid activity. Then we have fludrocortisone, which is having mineralocorticoid activity with maximum glucocorticoid activity. And then we have doca, which is having selective mineralocorticoid activity. It does not have any glucocorticoid activity. So if I give you a recap, मैक्सिमम ग्लूकोकॉर्टिकॉइड एक्टिविटी किसमें होती है? डेक्सामेथासोन में होती है. मैक्सिमम मिनरलोकॉर्टिकॉइड एक्टिविटी किसमें होती है? एल्डोस्टेरोन में होती है. Glucocorticoid with maximum mineralocorticoid activity is hydrocortisone. Then mineralocorticoid with maximum glucocorticoid activity is mineralocorticoid with maximum glucocorticoid activity is fludrocortisone. Then selective glucocorticoid activity is triamcinolone, dexamethasone, betamethasone, and selective mineralocorticoid activity is doca. Right. So these are the important classifications you have to understand. Fludrocortisone is the drug of choice in replacement therapy in acute adrenal insufficiency. Insufficiency में जो drug of choice होती है वो है hydrocortisone. It is given 100 mg IV bolus followed by 100 mg over IV infusion over 8 hours. Only mineralocorticoid which is given in replacement therapy is fludrocortisone. This is the mineralocorticoid recommended. Then uses में अगर हम और देखेंगे तो fetal lung maturity because glucocorticoids they stimulate surfactant synthesis. तो surfactant बनाते हैं तो premature delivery में mother को intramuscularly injection दिया जाता है. Which injection is given? Betamethasone is given 12 mg, 2 doses at an interval of 24 hours. या फिर you can give dexamethasone which is 6 mg at an interval of 4 doses have to be given at an interval of 12 hours. They are given to the mother and intramuscularly, so that will increase the surfactant synthesis in the child. Then other uses in the replacement as a replacement therapy in acute adrenal insufficiency or in chronic adrenal insufficiency, that is Addison's disease, and in congenital adrenal hyperplasia, where due to deficiency of 21 hydroxylase, the genetic deficiency of enzyme 21 hydroxylase के कारण जो steroidogenic substances and aldosterone and hydrocortisone they are not synthesized, and as a result that patient has to be given glucocorticoid plus mineralocorticoid. So they are given hydrocortisone in the dose of 0.6 mg per kg per day in divided doses. And if salt wasting persists, then you have to add fludrocortisone in the dose of 50 to 200 microgram per day has to be added. So that is given as a replacement therapy. Then other uses of glucocorticoids are all the inflammatory conditions, arthritis हो गया, immune graft rejection, organ transplant patient, malignancies, bronchial asthma, then eye infections, any severe infections, patient admitted in the ICU, then intestinal diseases, inflammatory conditions like Crohn's disease, ulcerative. Hydrocortisone is even given as a suspension in ulcerative colitis. Please remember that. Neurological conditions like acute exacerbation of multiple sclerosis में hydrocortisone is given. A short course of short course of prednisolone is given in cases of acute multiple sclerosis. Then उसके अलावा what are the side effects? Side effect of mineralocorticoid. First thing, it causes fluid